Hello friends, welcome again. Our today's topic will be on IELTS Speaking cue card, and that is describe an interesting famous person. You can combine here one more cue card, describe an old polite person. You can also combine with interesting old polite person. You can also speak same content with interesting politicians or interesting neighbor. So here we go. The useful vocabularies will be benign, innocuous. Benign and innocuous means polite, gentle. There is one more word, smooth talker or smooth speaker. Again is the same word as polite. So you can speak like this. Here we go. Well, there are plenty of people I met until now who are very gentle and polite. But here I would like to talk about one particular person who I admire the most and who is like a role model for me. And that is the person is our renowned Bollywood actor, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Mr. Bachchan is famous as Emperor of Bollywood. He is also known as Star of the Millennium. Mr. Bachchan, he is coming from septuagenarian age group. Although septuagenarian means a person who comes between 70 to 80 years old. Although he is septuagenarian, he is so ebullient personality. Ebullient means energetic and positive. He has a heart of gold. Means gold-hearted. He is a philanthropist, does lots of charities. Though he is that much popular, he is so benign. Benign means polite, gentle. He is a multi-hyphenated personality. Multi-hyphenated means a person who does lots of things together. He is an actor, he is a writer, he is a director, he is a producer, he is a singer, what more? He does everything, right? So he is a versatile personality, means a person who is having many more skills. Those quality makes him a role model for the people like us. We admire him a lot. He endorses in this age more than 15 international brand. That makes me most admirable person. And one more thing, that he is such a gold-hearted person. Okay, and this quality makes him my most favorite interesting old person. I hope this will helpful to you. If there is a question comes that what you do together, then you will not be able to speak on Mr. Bachchan. Then you can speak on your own grandparents. Content will be same, but person will be different. It will be like your grandfather or grandmother. You can say like, my grandfather has a heart of gold. My grandmother is such an innocuous person. And how you feel about her? Well, I feel very blissful that I got such an innocuous grandparents in my life. And I wish I could have same parents in my next life as well. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you with the next cue card. Thank you.